Guys, today is a very realistic get ready with me. I have friends' birthday dinner, so let's glam it up. And before I start my makeup, I actually got some goodies from YesStyle. So let me go ahead and unbox these because my foundation is finally here and I need to use that today. Ooh! Guys, I got this like hair voluming thingy. I've been seeing this around, so I definitely gotta try that. I got 3 different shades of glassing gloss. I also got an SB or tint. I got the Hera gloss. I've been seeing this around so much and I've been dying to try this, so I think I'm gonna try this too. Okay, maybe. Let me think about it. I got my favorite Curl Fix mascara and also the Judy Doll mascara. My favorite Anua cleanser and also the Tokto cleanser. And restock on the Asura that I'm running out right now. Novo Bomb perfume. My Etude House foundation. Literally obsessed with this right now. I've been using the shade 21, but it's been kind of light as you guys seen. So I got the 23. I have a few clothing that I ordered as well. But while I put my makeup on, I'm going to record a reel/TikTok. I'm gonna do Chisu's new song. It's gonna be like a transition makeup video. So let me go ahead and learn the snaps. Honestly, the dance looked really easy, so. 됐어. Let's put on makeup. Ah, my new foundation. Honestly, you could like kind of barely see the difference. Oh my gosh. I love the texture of this foundation. Wait, actually, I want to try the volumizing thingy. I honestly don't expect too much from this, but I'm just gonna do it just for the sake of trying it. Wait, 옆으로? Oh! Ooh, bam. Like that. I like to blend my foundation with my hand first so that it could get through every fine lines. And the color is matching me way better. Not gonna lie, it still kind of looks white, huh? Coverage, amazing. Very moisturizing. Texture, very nice. Super long lasting. Highly recommend. Wow. Coverage, crazy. Well, today I'm going to LA. I honestly don't know which restaurant it is because I didn't really check the group chat. And this foundation also doesn't scrape too much, so it's super nice. I could just... You know what I haven't done in a while? I haven't done like Portuguese speaking videos. And when I look at my analytics, I have a good percentage of Brazilians. So yo, I am so sorry. Mas eu prometo que eu vou postar já já. Pelo menos no Insta e TikTok. I need some color. Color on my face. Purple. I'll probably go with one of the fleas. I really like this color. It's very natural. Eyeshadow. Oh, I need a snap. What was I doing? Eyeshadow. Oh, I'm so lazy. Should I go a little bit more darker today? I think I'm feeling more of this. Put this one. Mix it. And this brush that I'm using, it's aight. But using it anyways. Wow, these two colors literally look so similar, right? Slightly more purple one. Before I do the dark color, I'm just gonna go straight to eyeliner. Oh my god, this is terrible. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And I wonder if the hair is doing good. Should I check it? Oh my gosh, it better look good. Wait, like, should I pull it up? Wait, I feel like it did give me a little oomph. I can't tell if I like it or not. Let's just keep it on anyways. Now with the darker eyeshadow. Do you see the difference? So what eyelashes though? I used one that I really liked a few days ago. Which one was that? Is it you? No. It's you. We're gonna go with these lashes today. Okay. This is a really natural lash that I put on, but still, it gives a pretty big difference. Question though, do you guys listen to like super fun, upbeat songs in the morning when you get ready? Or you listen to like R&B, like ballad? When I'm in a super rush, which is majority of my days, I listen to this. Hey. Oh, we got was a dancer, wiggle around and did a picture. That rushes me like crazy, so that's nice. When I'm having a chill day, I want to have a chill morning, like super like, you know, I'm all put together vibes, I listen to this. Let me know your go-to music when you get ready. Maybe I'll like it. We'll see. Girly, we're almost done with this makeup. I don't want to do my bottom lashes because I'm just lazy like that. Is you a highlight? Yeah. Oh, 좋아. And then right here. 뭐야? Wait, this is so pretty. Finally, my last step of the makeup. Okay, but now the hardest part. I have so many options for my lips. I have these two in my ranking, so let's swatch them and decide. I feel like it's gonna be very natural. Oh, 좋아. Oh, wow. Oh. Ah, this is so hard. Oh, it stings. Let me go ahead and start with my hair. I'm gonna have this like peanut snack. 1, 2, 3, cool it off. Rub it. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. Kind of messy, but it's okay. I still got the volume, which is all I need. Let's go change now. I don't know what to wear.
Hello?
Mushy mushy.
Mushy mushy.
What's the vibe today?
Kind of casual.
Casual? Bye. The group that we're meeting today don't really dress up. We're very casual, so yeah. Which is better for me? Better for me. Ooh, wait, let's check if I have any tops from Yesta. Ooh, I could maybe wear this today. Oh, this one had a lot of reviews, so I just got it. Button up with no collar. Just got a nice sweatpants, because I love staying home, so I need more stay-home pants. I got some parachute pants. This looks low-key kind of small on me. Yeah, another just plain top. Whoa, I like this fabric. And my last piece, I got it right here. It was pretty cropped, but very nice fabric. So what I chose is this pants and this like off shoulder. I'm low-key lazy to wear stickies. Let me try on like a white shirt, maybe like a gray vest. Okay, okay. Schoolgirl look. You know what? Oh my gosh, no, let's wear black. Okay. Honestly, I really like the top, what's going on the top right now, but the pants is not really giving. Like this, it is definitely giving. Fine. I'll just go like this. Bag, I'll just wear like a shoulder bag. Maybe I'll change the necklace. I'm not really liking this. I'm gonna just wear this super simple necklace. I think I like it. Let me go ahead and spray perfume. I'm gonna go with Deep Teak. Yeah! Oh wait, I got a new bomb perfume, right? Let's try that right now. This is the one I got. I already have the green one. Oh, interesting. Kinda smells like medicine. Don't get the peach one. Get the green one. Green one is much better. Yeah, much better, much better. And I'm done getting ready now. I hope you got something out of this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time.